G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
We're just going to go through a basic cross now. And a cross is anything from my rear foot. So my right foot's back, I throw the same side, my right foot's back, I throw my right arm, that's a cross. If I'm back to front the other way, my left foot's back, my left arm's going to be the cross. Now it's the same principle with most of your other punches, is that as I throw my cross, my other hand stays up, my elbow's in front of my body, I look through my fingers, I bury my chin down behind my crossing arm, so I'm safe and I'm covered up when I've ended in the end position of my punch. I rotate my body, my feet are pointing forward, and I'm ready. As soon as my cross finishes, my left side is then loaded up to throw something else. So my cross is just like so. Feet are facing forward, rotate as far as I can, bury my chin behind my shoulder, my left hand is up, I look through my fingers, and I throw across. If I'm throwing with a fist, the angle of my fist is just simply whatever my hand is relaxed and clenched up. So it's the same thing. I prefer open hands because it doesn't hurt your wrist if you get it wrong. You don't split your skin on their face, you don't mix their blood. The bigger surface area, as in my hand, it strikes their face, so I actually prefer it. But that's, that's a personal opinion with that stuff. So up here, right cross, rotate your body, cover up, bury your chin behind your shoulder, and you're set.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.